So what's going on, everybody? It's me, your friendly neighborhood Joe Mrozek here, and I'm slightly sicker than usual, which I know is a great way to start the new year. But I just came back from a 5-day vacation in Florida, which is why I've been kind of absent on all of my social medias and LinkedIn and everything and YouTube, just because I want to go all in the new year. So I decided that, you know, if I want to go all in, I need to take a little break beforehand, kind of regenerate myself a little bit and, you know, focus on what I need to do in this new year to reach my goals. So I hate the term New Year's resolution because it has a bad connotation to it. It really does. Everyone's like, oh, you're not going to keep your New Year's resolution. So I have New Year's goals instead. I actually have 3 of them. So let's get into it. My first one is to make my production company profitable and real. You know, make it a real company with a real space and everything. I want it to be an actual thing. So that's going to be one of my big things I'm going to be working on throughout this year. And I'm sure it's going to see a lot of changes and a lot of differences. Might even see a name change when if I bring on more people or so on and so forth. I just want to create more. You know, I want to create more of what I like to create, things that I can look at and be proud of, you know, like skits and vlogs and everything. I just want to create more all around. Like, I just love creating things, so that's going to be my big goal in 2019, is just create more, work harder, create more. So, number 3, this kind of attributes back to working harder and creating more. I want to push my own limits. I want to see how far I can go. I want to create as much as possible, and I want to do as much as possible, but to do so, I need to push my limits and see how far I can go. Thank you for watching. If you did enjoy this video, make sure you like, subscribe, do all that fun stuff. Share it on LinkedIn if you're watching on LinkedIn, or if you're watching on LinkedIn, also go check out my YouTube and like, subscribe, and do all that fun stuff as well on there. I appreciate it. Leave a comment down below as to what your New Year's goals are. Don't call them resolutions, because then you'll just get hate for no reason, because people are full of hate these days for some reason. And I am one of them, and I need to fix that. But either way, thank you for watching, and I will see you later. Bye.